Shanti. Sometime what will happen, the mind is still doing the Shantoham, even when I told you to do nothing. What it shows? What it shows? It shows that the mind is attached to the Shantoham. Let it be attached. Attachment to the Shantoham, to be into the state, is a way. We drop the attachment that is causing the sorrow and the suffering. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it in your eyes, open the eyes inside, know your experiences, bring the hands down, and we will share our experiences now. We are out of the crazy stuff, but we are into this crazy world. You have to make a choice. How are you, Sophie?
I continue the Shantoham,
Very good.
Very good.
and sometimes I'm not hearing you anymore.
But you were
But you
aware.
were aware.
Yes,
Oh, good.
Oh, good.
yes, I was awake.
That's really
That's
good.
really good.
You have
So
a
you have
deeper
a deeper
experience of
experience
calm.
of calm.
I'm very calm.
Very good.
Very
Remain calm.
remain calm.
Okay, how are you, John?
How am I? This was not very successful, I'm sorry to say. I'm agitated.
Agitated.
Agitated by work and things like that.
Agitated by work. We have to contemplate. You see that? You put the blame of agitation on the work.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Can you show me agitation in the work?
No, it's in my mind.
No, but I have to contemplate at the time of doing the practice of meditation. The work contain the agitation? No. So I become the subject of agitation even when the agitation does not exist. Did you get it?
Yeah, I think so.
So once I understand this, then you practice meditation, repeat this week again and again and see the result. How are you at?
Oh, here we go. Yeah, I feel fine. I was somewhat agitated in the beginning, but I calmed down.
Calm
I'm
down.
calm now.
Very good. So you calm down. But again, the same thing. I should clearly see what is an object of agitation, and you will find none in this world. Tell me, what is an object of agitation? It is all a projection of my mind. So I should say that it is projection of my mind. That is what the retention of the knowledge is. How are you, me?
Clearing away cobwebs.
Good. Yeah, clarity, clearing, both are good. Both are excellent in that state because that helps me to live into that state of calmness which is already there.
Yes.
That needs to be understood. Can you remove hesitation? Yes. Can you remove stress? Yes. Can you remove stress by drinking something good? Yes. Something bad? Yes. So, what can be removed? Remember, I will talk about these principles. What can be removed or changed is false, is delusion. Like hesitation, like upset, like sorrow, like suffering. We'll talk about it. So, how are you, Charlie?
Hello, everyone. I found my mind thinking, how will I know if I've received the teaching? That was rattling
Good.
around.
It's a good question.
And then I was listening to you, but I was somewhere really deep. Like I couldn't really hear what you were saying, but I wasn't asleep.
Yeah.
And then it was done. And you said, put your hands on your eyes. And I'm like, oh, well, that went very quickly. So that's what happened.
That is what happens in receiving and retention of the knowledge. The moment you retain the knowledge, a kind of timelessness, you are absorbed. Now, I will show you where your house is. Come on, I'm already sitting in my house. That is what we are doing. So then when you are already into the house, then you don't listen to the teacher, but you still maintain the awareness. That's better. Ah, yes, that is all for today. We will meet again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste. Remain agitated, my dear.